Welcome back. Today we'll be dicing an onion like a pro. It's really easy. You cut off the ends and take off the shelling, the outside coating. We'll put it to the side. Get it all off. Clean it up later. Kind of just peel it off. Get it off where you're dicing. You don't want it to be on there. And you're gonna cut it in half. Then it'll be easier to peel now as well. You can even take a coating off or two, however you want to do it. But the point is to get it kind of like this, the same other way. Outside coating is kind of tough when cooking, so I usually take it off, but I do try to use most of it. So you're gonna go and do a couple cuts like this. Just to kind of get it. You're gonna go. So you're gonna make a incision across, a couple incisions. You do 2 or 3. It's kind of dangerous up top, but you're gonna go across like this. It's okay if some falls off, you can just throw it back in there. You're gonna try to kind of keep it together. And then turn it. think my eyes are getting kind of blurry. I mean, you just go as fine as you want it and keep going over it, and putting it together, and crying or whatever you got to do. But I usually like it real fine, so I usually go over it for a while. But what I'm gonna do is cook chicken tacos with these. So it's probably about as fine as I want it. I kind of want the oniony crunch in these chicken tacos once I cook them. Tostadas. It's gonna be in tacos. Tostadas in tacos. Tostadas. How you say it. So I'm saving this. I'm not cooking today. I'm cooking tomorrow. I already cut some up earlier. I'll show you a video of that in a little bit, but it don't take long. Cut them up. And that's how you dice up onions like a pro. You have a lot to use. You get a good amount from an onion. You can just store it in a container like so. I gotta get a different lid though, but here's the onion. Smells good, makes you cry. Thanks for joining me